Cordillera. From the Pasil Fire Station headed by Senior Fire Officer 3 Reynold M. Telado, I am FO1 Fridolin Binto Canbong-Mogas, and here are our activities for the month.
On November 1 and 2, personnel of Pasil Fire Station conducted motorist assistance at Cagalwan Pasil Cemetery and also distributed flyers to ensure public safety through monitoring and conducting of fire safety awareness campaign to everyone. In response to the effect of Tropical Cyclone Marcy, personnel of Pasil Fire Station conducted close coordination with the local DRRMO and other agencies to ensure readiness for possible effect and or hazard brought by Typhoon Marcy. Senior Fire Officer 3 Reynold M. Telado conducted briefing of personnel in preparation for Typhoon Marcy to ensure availability of BFP assets and personal protective equipments at all times. Conducted standby monitoring within the area of responsibility. Strict observance of precautionary measures in responding to rescue operations, medical response, and mass evacuation. On November 8, 2024, personnel of Pasil Fire Station served as resource speaker on the school-based training and write shop on contingency planning activity at Balinciago Elementary School, Limuod, and Wagas Annex. To ensure the effective preparation and response to disasters and or emergencies, this is crucial in addressing the vulnerabilities of education sector and ensuring the continuous delivery of equitable education amidst natural and human-induced hazards. In response to the effect of Tropical Cyclone Nika, Ophel, and Pipito, personnel of Pasil Fire Station conducted close coordination with the local DRRMO and other agencies to ensure readiness for possible effect and or hazard brought by typhoon. Personnel also conducted road clearing operation at the Abra-Kalinga Road, particularly at Ableg and Balinciago section.